Lesson 302. Where darkness was, I look upon the light. Father, our eyes are opening at last. Your holy world awaits us, as our sight is finally restored and we can see. We thought we suffered, but we had forgot the Son whom you created. Now we see that darkness is our imagining, and light is there for us to look upon. Christ's vision changes darkness into light, for fear must disappear when love has come. Let me forgive your holy world today, that I may look upon its holiness, and understand it but reflects my own. Our love awaits us as we go to him, and walks beside us, showing us the way. He fails in nothing. He the end we seek, and he the means by which we come to him.